Hi candidates, this is Jim Gillis with Win My Vote, and I wanted to invite you to create your own candidate profile here on our voter engagement site, winmyvote.com. Here's how it works. Voters are free and can sign up with just an email address or a social media account, type their zip code in, and that zip code will place them in specific voting districts. If there's any overlap or if there's two districts in the same zip code, we have resources on the sign up page to make sure the voter gets into the correct district. And with that, we can create a sample or a practice ballot for their upcoming election. As a voter, I can look at the candidates running for each one of the offices up and down the ballot. And I can also click on the candidate profiles to learn a little bit more about each candidate. So I can watch videos.
Spread a little hope and love now.
And I can see a full bio, which is just more information about that candidate. I can donate to the candidate online if I want, or I can sign up to volunteer, or I can send a message directly to this candidate. I can also go to see their Facebook page and their Twitter account. I can go down here and see issue statements that the candidate has built, and these can be both text and images and video.
She's a history maker. An family. Bill and Hillary welcomed their daughter, Chelsea Victoria Clinton.
I can also see groups and organizations and individuals that we call trusted sources here on Win My Vote. I can see their endorsements for this candidate. So I can scroll through some of the featured endorsements.
For more than a year now, across thousands of miles.
Hello, I'm Liz Schuler, Secretary-Treasurer of the AFL-CIO. When the AFL-CIO endorsed Hillary Clinton for president,
and if I decide I want to vote for this candidate, I can favorite this candidate. And when I go back to my ballot, you can see here that the candidate's name place is turned green. I can also see the percentage of favorites on this ballot. So as a candidate, you can see how you're doing. You can reach out to groups, tell them to go to Win My Vote and sign up. It's totally free, and favorite your candidacy. And this way you can sort of track how you're doing. And you can also, as a candidate, reach out to groups and organizations, again, what we call trusted sources, and ask for their endorsement. And this network or this platform is a great way for the groups and organizations to learn about your candidacy, see about the issues and positions that you're taking, and then if they want to endorse you, it's as easy as just clicking on your star and they can make an endorsement for you. So signing up is easy. Go to winmyvote.com and you can click here, the green button that will say for candidates. And when you sign up here, you're signing up as a voter as well as a candidate. So you just use your first name, last name, email address, choose a password, and then enter the zip code where you live, so where you're registered to vote, and then that zip code will place you in specific districts here that you're eligible to run on these ballots. So you can choose your party if you want, or you can leave it blank for the time being, and obviously you can skip that if you want. And then these are the ballots. So let's say if you were to, if you're interested in running for the 2018 election, there's a choice between governor's race, lieutenant governor, secretary of state, attorney general, controller, insurance commissioner, etc. And let's say you wanted to run for governor. You would click here on one of the empty spots, and then you would see here your profile, and then you just build your profile just like this. You can choose any kind of image off of your computer. We'll crop this a little, and then you can fill in this information. You can see these little edit buttons that pop up. You just need to click here, and this says what party, and you can pick a party here. Let's say America's Party for this demo. Sorry about that. Oops, I hit the wrong button there. But we'll just go with that, with the independent party. And then here, running mate, that's probably not applicable to most of you. And again, occupation is the same way. You're just putting in here. And then it will just, appear here. These buttons right here, this is a message. You can just put a URL into your website, or if you have something set up, oops, sorry about that. If you have something set up here where you have a web message, you can just put, again, the URL in there, and that will work. And then same with volunteer, and same with donate. If you have a donation page already set up, you can just put the URL in there and it will go directly to that page. If you don't have one set up and you want to set up an online donation application through Win My Vote, you can do that real easily as well. We work with a company called Stripe. You fill it out. It's a really short form. You put your account information where you want the money to go, and that's it. And then when the user clicks on donate, they would fill out a short form, and then they would be able to donate, whether it be Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal, I believe. As far as your main message here, you click on this and you can either use an image to do that, you can use text to do that, and this can be text with links or images or videos, or you can use a video. We suggest video, and you can use the YouTube URL share, which I'll show you right now. So this is my YouTube
And welcome
channel.
to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is a free voter
And what I do is I use the share command here, and it'll give me a URL. I just do a copy and paste, and I paste it right in here and hit save. And then it will display here and play here for the voter.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote. Win My Vote is...
And I do the same thing down here for these issue statements. And again, you can title them. So we'll just use test there. You can put text in here. You can add, again, links and pictures or videos. And then you can choose an image or a video. And we'll just do this same video just for this demo. And hit save. And that's it. And then as a user, they can see this headline and they can read about that. And they can also click on it and watch the video.
Hi, and welcome to Win My Vote.
And that is it on the issues. As far as the featured endorsements, these are groups and organizations that endorse you, and the best way to address that is to reach out to the groups, tell them to create a group page here on Win My Vote, which is totally free, and then endorse you. And I can talk with you guys individually about that, or there's other videos up here about how to create a group or how to solicit endorsements from groups. When you're all done with that, you can publish the profile onto a ballot. So building this profile is free. Publishing it onto an active ballot is $99 per election. So whether you sign up today and publish it today and get on the ballot and start reaching out to voters, today is $99, or a day before the election is $99. So that's it, and look forward to seeing you guys up here. And again, would be happy to talk with you guys and help you build your profiles and show you how to use it and that type of stuff. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.